Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. As you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be decluttering and organizing my bathroom. And I mentioned that I've been doing decluttering and organizing on my Instagram story, and so many of you were like, please do videos. So here we are. But I basically just have too much crap. Like I just did a Lush haul, which I'll link up in the corner, and Lush sent me a bunch of stuff. So I have this bag of Lush stuff I need to put away, too much stuff in the medicine cabinet, and I need to clear out the cabinets underneath the sink. So you're just gonna come along with me on my decluttering organizing journey. So first up, we're going to tackle this, what's it called? Medicine cabinet. There's just too much product in it, not too much, but I just wanna clear the things I'm not using and then reorganize it, and we'll move on from there. Okay, so that didn't take too long. I only focused on these two shelves. The top shelf is Bradley's besides my deodorants, but it's pretty organized and I don't want to mess with his stuff. But I reorganized these two rows, which is stuff that mainly I just use. Bradley uses a couple of these items, but down here we have my body splash I use every day, this amazing Kate Somerville Titan Cryogenic Tightening Gel that I'm going to talk about in my favorites video, my two favorite aroma waters from Lush, my favorite moisturizer, my heavy duty winter moisturizer. I've been liking these facial cleansing tea tree pads from Trader Joe's, and then I've been loving this Patchology cloud mask, so I have those all stacked. And then up here we have Bradley's eczema lotion, which ironically the best one he's ever found that works for him is at Walgreens, so there's that if you're wondering. My everyday moisturizer, my milk toning stick, Simple Hydration Booster, my Lush Grease Lightning, Pixie Oil, some Origins eye cream, my Tatcha face mist, which I'm actually trying out. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. I'm not as crazy about it as everybody else is right off the bat. But then I have a Naked lip scrub and then popcorn lip scrub, which Lush just continued, which I'm devastated over, but whatever, I still have that. And then some toothpaste, so that's that. The products I'm not keeping in there is this micellar water. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it, but I just don't use micellar waters for some reason. I just never do. This is my eye cream, but it's empty, so it needs to go in the empties. It's the Yes to Blueberries Eye Firming Treatment. I was using this when I was out of my Simple SPF Everyday Moisturizer, but I have that now, and I didn't love this as much, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. It's just a teeny tiny sample. And then I have two of my Milk makeup sticks, the oil stick and the cleanser stick, which I love, but I'm just not using right now, so I can put those elsewhere and leave some more open space in there. So that looks pretty good. So now we're gonna move on to Lush crap. So I have this thing under my sink, which I've done a video on how I organize my Lush stuff, and maybe I should do another one, I don't know, but I get a lot of questions. I got this at the Container Store. It's technically for the kitchen, I believe, but I use it for my bathroom and I love it. So the top drawer, which I am gonna go through as well, just has some face masks in it, all my face masks that I love. And then the bottom drawer, which really needs some work, is all of my bath stuff. So it's mostly Lush. A couple things aren't Lush, but like, it's overload. So right now I'm going to take out all my Lush stuff, categorize it into different categories, and I will check back in a sec. Somebody's home.
Hi.
If you hear me talking to myself, it's because I'm talking to YouTube.
Kind of a mess.
Yeah, I'm working on it. Okay, so I laid out all of my Lush crap into categories. So we have bubble bars, bath bombs, and then bath melts down here. And I also, it's a mess in here, you guys. I just don't have a lot of space, but I also cleaned out all the Tupperwares I keep things in. So now I'm just going to organize them. I also have this pile of like half-used bubble bars and this thing, which is full of like bubble bar chunks, which comes in handy. And then I have some bags that some of the bath melts go in because they melt and they need to be in a bag. So, yeah. you happy I'm cleaning out the bathroom?
Just do something, please. It's a mess in here.
I know. Okay, so all the Lush stuff is put into bins. So I have bubble bars in here. Oh, whoopsie. Mostly new ones. These containers I bought, and they're perfect for bath bombs, so I have 2 in there. And then I had some leftover bath bombs, but I also had some extra room, so it's kind of a miscellaneous in there. I still have this ghost that I think is so cute, but I need to use it. And then I have bath melts in here. Sorry, my phone went off. And then I have that other one full of half-used bubble bars. And then this Lush dust will also make a great bath. So I'm going to fit it all back into this. Hey, so I got it all fitted. I fit it all in here. So first up in this bag, we have my Goth Fairy, which is like a shimmer bar. Then we have the bath melts, the bubble bars, the 2 round things. I have my shower cap back here. I have this honeycomb, which goes with this Laura Mercier bubble bath. It's the almond coconut milk honey bath. It's amazing. I have a similar bath product from the Body Shop that I got at TJ Maxx. The kind of somewhat used bubble bars I need to use up. And then I have the Luster dusting powder from Lush that I love, which I think this might be discontinued. I'm not positive. And then I have the Silver Star Bath Melt bubble bar in there. And so that is much more organized. And I decided I'm going to get rid of this solid body conditioner. I'm going to give that to my sister just because I have too much stuff and I haven't used it yet, so I can give it to Katie. So I'm going to put that back and then we're going to work on that drawer. Okay, so I didn't really get rid of anything, but I have my Glam Glow masks up here. This Carez Greek Yogurt Sleeping Facial I love. 2 of the Lush jelly masks, which I got rid of 2 of them. I'm not crazy about the scent, so I'm going to pass those on to my sister. My favorite Boscia pink peeling mask right now, the Proactive Refining Mask. My favorite and clearly well-used Origins charcoal mask. Messing up my organization I just did. The Kate Somerville Nourish mask, which is actually discontinued, and that's okay because it's not my favorite anyway. I love the Nourish line, but something about this I just don't love. I have a couple of the Sephora sleeping masks, which I love, and then some other random like lip masks, eye gels, and like some foot masks and stuff, so. Perfect, and I had these in there too. These are the Proactive Mark fading pads, like to get rid of spots on your face, but I'm gonna move those so I use them up. So yeah, now this is pretty organized. I just have a lot of shower gels because I went really hard last year at the semi-annual sale at Bath & Body Works, and I just take forever to use up shower gels, so I'm gonna clean this out. I'll let you know if I declutter anything, but it may look exactly the same, so BRB. I organized everything back in here. I didn't get rid of much. I got rid of my Trader Joe's Refresh shower gel. It's okay, I don't want to finish using it. I'm getting rid of the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which I know everybody loves. I like the scent at first, but as it sits on me throughout the day, I can't stand it. So while it's a nice lotion, something about the scent I just can't stand. So I'm gonna give this to my sister or something and maybe she'll like it better, but you didn't like the scent either, babe. You told me the other day I smelled funky. Oh no, wait, I wasn't gonna get rid of this. Okay, we're putting that back in. My bad. That was the R & Co hairspray, which when I first got, I thought it was dry shampoo, so I sprayed a bunch of hairspray in my roots, and that was rough. But I want to try it as an actual hairspray. I'm getting rid of this Living Proof leave-in conditioner, if it would focus. It's not gonna focus, but I just prefer my Healthy Sexy Hair leave-in conditioner, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. And then I'm gonna pass on these 2 shower gels. I love Philosophy shower gels. I just have way too many, so I'm gonna pass both of these on. And yeah, it's filled to the brim, but it's somewhat organized. I know where everything is. This side is Bradley's side, which he has much less stuff, but I'm not gonna touch his side. Okay, you guys, so I have cleaned the kitchen. This is not the kitchen, this is the bathroom. Everything is organized, even this drawer too. And yeah, so that is it for the bathroom organization journey. I will see you guys another time for some more organizing. I also put out my cucumber towel because it's so cute. I got it at TJ Maxx. I have to sneeze. Okay, bye guys. Okay, bye.